Oh, it's recording.
Jen! This is our kitten. His name is Jake. just put her in the porch, Hev.
I can't open it.
Okay, come this way, come this way. What is that? That's not like the cats we know. That's not like Snickers. Goodness. He's just following her. Look at this. He's reaching for her.
He's gonna be a cat man.
Oh, Dr. Walsh is gonna love this.
He's gonna be a cat man for sure.
Come here, Ginge.
Yeah, don't touch the backside.
Yeah, that's kind of gross. Come here, sis. That's your other sister. Your illegitimate sister.